We're gonna add 3 cups of water. I already have some partially boiled water, so we're gonna speed up the process. I have a cup of grits that goes in. We're gonna stir it. And this process takes 8 to 10 minutes according to the instructions. This is a dish you have to keep your eye on, so I like to add my salt now. My pepper. And you have to keep stirring because you see these bubbles, they pop and the grits fly everywhere. I'm someone that likes to cook without a shirt all the time, and I'm always getting burned, so you just saw that one fly up. So you have to keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. So I only use 3 cups of water here, but my secret is buttermilk. So I'm gonna add buttermilk slowly, almost up to a cup, but that's next. It's time to add the buttermilk in slowly. Keep stirring. The buttermilk is in. This is where I put the lid on, and then I leave it for about 5 minutes. I like to take this time to grate in my cheese. All I have in the refrigerator right now is Parmesan cheese. So I think it's gonna work for this dish. You can use any cheese you like, but we're gonna go with Parmesan today. Okay, I think that's enough because we put some buttermilk in there. And I'm gonna also be using a herb compound butter, which I will put the link so you can watch that video. It's right here. Drop that in, and everything gets stirred in. And that's pretty much it. You just stir it so everything's incorporated. The butter melts. Let's see if I can find it. It's right here. It's breaking down. All the herbs are coming out. And just gotta keep stirring.